Time to do dumb shit with a small car. I started the process of disassembling the front suspension of the Suzuki so that I can throw some coilovers on it. I'm going to finish that up today. To that end, I have printouts of some photos I took of my factory service manual so I don't gunge up my factory service manual while doing this work. This is the suspension assembly and torque values. After I get done with the suspension, the next project is going to be the timing belt. You can see here that this was last done in, he say, 15, I think? So it's been a while. The original struts are blown and you can't get them as new old stock anymore. So the best option is going to be coilovers. Let's get some music going and knock out some work. My lazy plan of action for this is going to be to pop the tie rod end off, pop the upper ball joint, lower the control arm, the lower control arm down, and that should let me pull this guy out. So I did need to pop the top ball joint off of the knuckle to be able to get the arm down low enough. I should now be able to pull the shock out. It's not as hard as I thought it would be on this car. Your strut, the strut she tells you not to worry about. That's probably going to be too low. Fuck it, I'll send it. Fast forward a few minutes and I've got the new strut in and then shock in. I've got everything torqued except for the sway bar link because I'm probably gonna have to drop that again to the other side. The forgetful mechanic marks his torques. I am a forgetful mechanic. Just one last thing to button up. I've got to put a cotter pin in here, but I've got to run to the auto parts store to get one. Both sides are in. Didn't really record anything from the second side. It was super fast. Now it's time for the rears. They should be much easier. The shocks mount basically on the outside here and then up at the top. So should be a matter of just popping the bolts off the bottom out of the trunk and then replacing them. Working on the back, passenger side, driver's side. Driver's side. Got everything in. It was pretty quick and easy to do. The passenger side is a complete pain in the butt because getting to all the bolts for the top mount is gonna be an enormous pain in the dick. I don't want to remove the filler pipe. I need to. I'm gonna leave it for the evening and think about it overnight and figure out a better way to do this.
The next morning.
Oh yes, Harbor Freight, we meet again. All right, well that was annoying. Bought more wrenches, specifically a set of Icon offset wrenches, and this did the job.
It's impossible to get any tool other than that wrench into that space.
Why are you fighting me? This is a nut for the sway bar end links. I have all of them except one. I don't know where it went to. So I need to go buy another one, which wasn't what I was planning on.
1 hour later.
I'm happy with that. So that's the default ride height that the coilovers came with, and I think it's perfect. Oh, baby, so good. I'm gonna go wash up and then I'm gonna give this a drive.
One journey through space later.
So I just got back from a test drive and it's way better. I might be in trouble. So good.